Thinking about trying Now pumpkin seed oil capsules, you've probably seen them everywhere, but are they actually legit or just another overhyped supplement? I researched hundreds of reviews to find out. Now Foods was founded in 1968 with a simple goal: make natural and affordable health products accessible to everyone. They operate their own in house labs and conduct over 16,000 tests each month to ensure purity and potency. With a 50-plus year track record, Now is considered by most to be a reputable brand. It's one of the most commonly referred supplement brands by doctors. So, the company itself checks out. They're legit. Now, let's talk about real experiences. One user said after taking this for a month, their hair became noticeably thicker at the scalp and started regrowing. Another person used it for over a year with saw, palmetto, and said it slowed down hair thinning considerably with new growth coming in. Multiple reviews mentioned that capsules are easy to swallow with no aftertaste. People report improved heart health, better digestion, and reduced inflammation when taken consistently. The product is praised for prostate and bladder health benefits, but not everyone loves it. Several customers report stomach discomfort, and multiple reviews mention issues with mold in the capsules. One person experienced terrible stomach pain, diarrhea, and vomiting after just 2 nights. Another one got red, flushed, burning face twice while taking it. One cancer survivor returned it after researching and finding it act as a hormone or something similar. So, there are legitimate side effects for some people. The oil is cold pressed without solvents and derived from high quality non GMO pumpkin seeds. Each capsule contains 1,000 milligrams and provides essential fatty acids and plant sterols. Users say it's effective for bladder control, with one person going from waking up twice a night to just not once or not even at all. A long time customer said they've been buying it for over 20 years and can feel the difference when they stop and restart. So, is Now pumpkin seed oil legit or a scam? It's definitely legit. Now Foods is a reputable, trusted brand with decades of proven quality. The product works for many people, especially for prostate health, bladder control, and hair growth. But side effects like stomach issues and mold complaints are real concerns. If you try it, start slow and watch for reactions. For most people, it's a solid natural supplement from a trustworthy company. That's Now pumpkin seed oil for you guys. A legit brand, real benefits, but not perfect. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.